Hey, what's up, DJs? As a trader, you've got to be very aware of what the market maker's agenda is. So revisiting the price action from this past week on ETH USD, this is the hour 4 charts. As you can see, that liquidity along this equal lows line building since the 22nd of September, well, that got taken out on Thursday morning with the US CPI data. So that's Thursday night, 10:30 AEST, Australian Eastern Time. With these major red flag data plays, usually is a double move. As you can see, there was a liquidity grab to the downside, taking out all the bulls, and then a V reversal to the upside to take out all the FOMO shorts stacked along this equal highs line here around the 1300 USD mark. Hopping on the hour 1 charts is easier to see the session times and when the market maker is doing the manipulative moves. As you can see, after the Thursday CPI liquidity grab went rally to the upside. Thursday CPI data was a game of two halves. So at the start of the US session, it dipped down and then V reversal. And then you can see that by swaps US close, the market maker issued an unusual move to take out all this liquidity over here on this equal high lines where all the short traders were FOMOing in after the CPI data was released. Entering Friday Asia, start of Asia for the whole day pretty much, the market maker has the price action bounce of a previous equal high and is stacking liquidity along this equal line here. We're enticing bears to short around this zone, around this 1350 USD mark. And as you can see in the weekend, nothing much is happening because the whales are off duty, so to speak. And right now, as we speak, we've just passed that dead zone after the weekend swaps, that 3-hour gap between US 1500 hours to 2000 hours Eastern Standard Time. And we're entering Asia right now. You can see that there has been a false move to the downside, but then it's wicked up again. So nothing much is actually happening till probably later today, the Euro Open to the US Open. So Monday is actually a quiet trading day for the week. I've got a risk to reward 1 to 8 long trade pending on this one. I'll go into that in the part 2 of the series. Make sure to follow me for the part 2 of the series.